stuff, middle of nowhere. Okay, so last week I told you I was gonna fucking do the air box, which is this whole thing, okay, to get the filter out, which y'all can see is just that and shit. Okay, I'm not supposed to pull it off, I'm supposed to that way, but this always wedges in place. Okay, so if you look, you can't get that out, right? So first things you gotta do is, doesn't matter if you leave this off, you should put these off after. Just unhook that, unhook the sensor that you have here, there, just make sure you don't break that off, and then tuck that in behind, out of the way. There, see, it just sits there. Okay, make sure you have enough slack in this, see how it moves. Okay, so it's a matter of move that up so you can get your hand under, and you just pull from the bottom side out, and you just got to get your hands, see how it's, can you see that right there? See how that's the metal part right there, and this is the rubber? So I'm just pulling, there we go, I'm done. It's easiest as that. Then you unhook these two, pull it straight up and out. You can see how it locks in the four parts. Well, that's the clean filter, because last time the file's corrupted, so I got screwed, so you just put that back in. And you're probably wondering what the fuck I need that for. Like this, that's for this, this, and that. That is a 1/2 inch socket, but 12 point. So it's most likely a 6.13. I'm only showing you it. I already did the whole thing, obviously, because, well, I wouldn't be wasting my time. And that, right? And then that's it. That is, see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, don't need the cable in yet. Make sure you get this piece in first. Okay, see there's a little piece that lines up there, this nub. That line goes with that. So you gotta look under here, and there's this little part here that this here likes to get hit on the bottom of the transmission, so you gotta, or sorry, the top of the transmission. This piece keeps being a pain in my ass. Sorry. This keeps moving out of the way, so you just give it a little shove in the place. Make sure this is twisted to the right side. There you go. Okay, so this is a two-handed job usually, but I'm gonna try pulling it on one hand. So I'm not wide out enough. Man, it's not winter right now. Oh yeah. Remember, put these back in, because they do like to come out if you pull. See how they pull out? Just wiggle it in. Honestly, you could use that for an alternate pipe area. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put this down. I know the camera's blowing fucking, or sorry, the wind is blowing. Try to set up this thing. Alright, just hope this thing doesn't fucking fall over. If it does, I'm sorry. Ugh. It's just by pressure. Or, not pressure, but I almost say press fitted, but it's not. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Come on, piece of crap. Better would be to have it a little lubed up, but as we all know, only fuel and air should go into your car, not carbon. And there we go, it's done. Or any other kind of fucking deposits. And then it's just a matter of, okay, so it's a matter of just tighten this back up, and then put your sensor back on. The other part, why I have the other stuff, is going to be this. So, remove this support bracket, is what I talked about before. Move this out of the way. Or remove your, if you have a Canadian car or anything that deals with winter. And then you gotta make sure this here doesn't fucking fall down. See how it's clean and all that shit? Okay, so here's another little device that sits in here and collects dirt and shit in the little grinds. And that's fine. This here pulls out. That's to lock this in here, stop the airspace. So when that comes out, that's it. You can clean up this if you want to with a broom or that. This here has 3 10mm bolts. I'll pull out one just to let you see. Get the 12 off there, or sorry, 1/2 inch. And then that's it. Just one of those. And don't torque these ones down too much. That's it. That's all you need to do. Okay, so when you were to pull this out, you pull it out, you can look underneath, it's all pretty bad. This doesn't matter if you move it around, okay? Because it's held by this and that, those 2 little clips. But you push them down a little more if you want to. There, make sure you have all of these 3 pads for this module. Okay? This here, just intake comes in here. This was full of fucking leaves, since as you can see, I have leaves. This is not for my trees, because I don't own any trees on my property. Oh man. And that's it. Yep. After cleaning that out, you put that back in place. And it just literally sits on a weird cockeyed angle. See how it's clean? And this is on an angle, so if you're to put it in the wrong way, it won't go in the right way. It has to go in like that. Now, since mine likes to fall off, see how it's just like a little do-it-yourself kind of thing. Put it in there, and that's it. That is what that is. You got 2 clips on this side. They go down in there. See, there's one there, little slots to put in. And make sure this clip is up before you close it down. And you have to put that under, because otherwise they won't go. Done. Redo your mount bracket. Put this back in place. And then redo your mount bracket. So don't torque any down at any time. As everybody knows, that has kind of mechanical intuition or common sense. For those of you that don't fucking torque one down at a time before the other 2 are in place. Because see, say I torque that down. Watch, I'll show you what happens. Torque down. Okay, that's torque down. See how this is not lined up? Sure, I can fucking fight with it. That was a grind. And then that's it. You can see how it moves. See how, okay, so what I'm looking at here is the bolt doesn't go in. Sure, you can move it here, but the way it was sitting, that one, those 2 bolts are not enough. You need to have it just a bit over, which is about a 32nd or a 16th of an inch. And you must torque these down afterwards. But now you can start with the big one. Oops. Oh, I'm not fucking, and yeah, at least put a couple threads in there. My hand. Done. Good. That's it. Sorry for the wind. I'm Duff, middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, so that's your air filter. Everything you need to do. And clean up the box. Dump that thing upside down if you're pull it out. And like always, have a good one.